going on, guys? This is Adrian Zumbado, and thank you for watching this video. If you not have done so yet, please subscribe to this channel, and also if this video brings you some valuable information, hit like. Now I'm going to start the series. This is the first one of many to come. It's called Let's Talk GotBackup. And why? Well, I just wanted to do a little something different so we can talk about other things rather than the usual information you always find about people just bringing you the presentation and all that stuff. Now, if you don't know what GotBackup is, it's a very simple. I'm gonna keep it very simple. It is a cloud service that provides you up to 6 terabytes of cloud service. Now, this video is not going to be about the program or the service or anything like that, but more or less talking about how to start a digital business. There's people out there that are looking for information on how to start a digital business, something that they can do from home as a side business to make some extra money, or somebody that wants to take it to a full potential and put it out there and try to make a full income out of it. Well, with GotBackup, it is very possible. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to leave you a video that really explains what GotBackup is and how the business works. But here I'm more or less talking about digital business, how to start a digital business. But most people don't know how to start a digital business. There's many ways that you can do it. You know, you can go through like Amazon. You know, they have a program where you can buy stuff from suppliers for overseas and have it in their warehouse. But then it's so many fees as far as like you got to pay a monthly fee, you got to pay a maintenance fee, you know, for storage fee, and also the fee for them to ship it. So there's a lot of fees involved in that sense. Also, those are more or less like tangible products, something that you can touch, which it's okay to sell tangible products, of course, but sometimes tangible products just they take a while for them to even arrive to your home. Even with Amazon, when you buy a product on Amazon, it takes you at least 2 days if you have Amazon Prime, and if it's not an Amazon Prime item, you're going to be waiting for 2 or 3 weeks before it even gets there. Same thing with, like, let's say you order on Temu or Temu, however you say it. It's going to take you at least about roughly 3 weeks for that item to get there. Well, with GotBackup or with digital products itself, digital products completely, the advantage is that because it is a digital product, it is automatically downloaded into whether it's your phone or your computer, wherever the digital product that you're using. Now, with of course, with GotBackup, because being a cloud storage, you can use it on your phone, you can use it on your computer, you can use it on any device, but it be instantly downloaded and you can instantly start using it. So once you get into this business of providing people with the service of cloud storage, then you can see the great potential and opportunities you have with this kind of business. It's a digital product. It is a business you can do online, or is an online business, meaning that even if you're out there talking to people in the real world, that's why I'm recording this out here, because I want you to take it from the digital world into the real world as well. And by you doing that, and show the people the service that you can provide, and the people that are interested, which I don't see who would not be interested in cloud storage, because now with your devices, everybody has a phone, everybody needs some kind of safety with your videos and your photos and all those memories that you carry. You know, if you lose your phone, you break your phone, or your phone gets stolen or anything like that, you lose all that information. At least cloud storage has it backed up. That's why we have GotBackup as our main service now. Now, with digital products, like I said, you can do it anywhere in the world. So once you have this service going, once you have this business set up for yourself, you can do it anywhere, whether it be locally around your area, or you can talk to people in other states, or you can talk to people in other countries, because this is a worldwide thing. It is on the internet. So by being a product that is on the internet, a service that's on the internet, you can provide the service to basically anybody around the world. The same thing as, let's say you now take this very serious and it becomes your full-time income, it becomes your main business or source of creating yourself some money. By you doing this, you can now do this from anywhere in the world that you like. If you want to move to another state, if you want to move to another country, or you just want to take a month and go to somewhere and visit, you don't have to worry about that, because you have an online business running for you. So, you know, a lot of people, like I said, people are always looking for a way to start a business online. And there's many ways. And I am providing you with the information to go with GotBackup as a digital service that you can promote, that you can advertise, that you can bring to people and have a service that they can use. Once again, it is cloud service. And how do you get involved into this business? How do you get involved into this? Well, at the bottom of this video, you're going to see a link to my website, smartphonemoney.biz. And you want to go there, and the explanation is going to be there, and you're going to learn all the information that you need to have. And that's another thing. If you're a business-minded person, you want to start a business, you got to understand of the investment it takes to start a business. There's no such thing as a free business, and there's no such thing as making free money. If you want to make money, it takes money to make money, but it doesn't take a lot of money to make a good amount of money. You just need to look for the right product and the right service, and I believe that GotBackup is a good service for you to start as far as a business goes on the digital world. Now, you can always take this as a stepping stone to create yourself some money and then work into whatever it is that you really want to do. And so you already have a business in mind and you need the money to do that, then this could be a stepping stone to get you there. Or maybe you enjoy this business so much, you stick around and you build it and you make it a big, because it is a great business with full potential to be all around. Well, I don't want to make this video too long, guys. We're going to make this little short videos so I can talk to you about several topics about GotBackup. Let's talk GotBackup. If you guys are more interested, go to my website at the description of this video, smartphonemoney.biz. Look at the information. Please pay attention. It will take you approximately, let's say, just put yourself an hour aside. It'll be less than an hour, but let's put an hour aside so you can learn the information and you can get your business started online. Thank you.